Want to stay vital longer? Then you need to include these 16 superfoods for people over 50 into your diet. No matter how old you are, you should choose your food wisely. But when you reach a certain point in life, your body just can't take all the junk food as well as it could when you were 20. So if you want to keep your mind sharp and your immune system up and running, check out this list of highly nutritious superfoods that will help you with that. 1. Nuts. Forget the chips and crackers and take some walnuts, almonds, hazelnuts, peanuts, or whatever you prefer. Or make a mix of your favorite nuts and add them to your oatmeal or salad. They're high in protein, omega-3 fatty acids, as well as antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. They can lower bad cholesterol, promote weight loss, reduce inflammation, prevent heart attack and stroke, and help digestion. Just make sure you don't take more than a handful a day as they're very high in energy. 2. Apples. We all know that an apple a day keeps the doctor away. That said, make sure you buy organic apples to avoid all the harmful pesticides. Apples can help regulate your blood sugar levels, blood pressure, and cholesterol. Plus, they're a good source of vitamin C, potassium, fiber, and antioxidants. 3. Spinach. Want to stay strong over the age of 50? Then get your portion of spinach now. You can eat it raw, but if you cook it or steam it, you'll increase its nutritional value. Spinach contains more than a dozen antioxidants, vitamins A, C, and K, as well as magnesium, manganese, zinc, and selenium. It prevents cancer, heart disease, diabetes, and neurological disorders while boosting your eyesight, bone health, skin health, and immune system. 4. Avocado. Avocado has become popular around the world not only for its delicious taste but also for its monounsaturated fats that are good for your heart. Avocados are packed with almost 20 vitamins and minerals, including vitamins K, C, B, and E, as well as potassium and copper. They can help regulate blood pressure and cholesterol levels and have anti-aging properties. 5. Carrots. Carrots give a new meaning to the term superfood. They can help with everything, from skin care, eyesight, oral health, cholesterol, blood pressure, cardiovascular disease, immune system, digestion, all the way to cancer prevention. This is due to beta-carotene, fiber, vitamins A, C, E, K, B8, as well as minerals, potassium, copper, manganese, iron, and antioxidants they contain. 6. Cherries. Did you know that cherries contain 65 times more vitamin C than oranges? Talk about antioxidants. Other than the vitamin C and divine taste, cherries are also rich in vitamins A and B, dietary fiber, iron, and calcium. They are good for digestion, they can lower bad cholesterol, help regulate blood sugar levels, and promote weight loss. 7. Beetroot. You can grind it, drink it as juice, make soups, or even roast it. Beetroot is a great source of vitamins A and C, minerals such as calcium, manganese, potassium and iron, as well as folic acid and fiber. It's rich in antioxidants and it can lower blood pressure, prevent certain types of cancer, improve exercise performance, and prevent dementia. It's low in calories so it's also good for weight loss. 8. Blueberries. Blueberries contain powerful antioxidants and soluble fiber. They help optimize blood sugar levels and reduce bad cholesterol. Blueberries are high in vitamins C and K and manganese. Simply add them to your oatmeal, Greek yogurt, or fruit salad to boost the flavor and your health. 9. Dark chocolate. Just 30 to 60 grams of dark chocolate a day can help lower blood pressure and bad cholesterol, prevent heart disease, protect your skin against sun damage, and improve brain function. Dark chocolate contains fiber, iron, magnesium, copper, potassium, phosphorus, zinc, selenium and manganese. It will also improve your mood due to endorphin release it causes. 10. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is high in protein and soluble fiber, manganese, phosphorus, zinc, selenium, iron, as well as B vitamins. It's the ideal breakfast and you can upgrade your serving with some fresh or dried fruit or nuts. Oatmeal helps digestion, lowers bad cholesterol and blood sugar, promotes weight loss, and relieves constipation. Eat it with Greek yogurt to boost the taste and nutritional value. 11. Pears. Pears are great for people over 50 as they contain a lot of soluble fiber, vitamin C, folic acid, potassium, and antioxidants. And they taste so good, don't they? Well, you can enjoy them guilt-free as they can actually help regulate blood sugar levels and prevent diabetes. 12. Strawberries. Strawberries are possibly the most popular seasonal fruit and they're packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that prevents aging. They're also high in fiber and help reduce bad cholesterol and improve heart health. They're also a source of vitamin K, manganese, magnesium, potassium, and folate. 13. Asparagus. Asparagus is especially good for men over 50 as it helps protect the prostate and reduce the risk of prostate cancer. This is due to its high lycopene content. Of course, women should eat it too as it's rich in fiber, and vitamin A. Other health benefits include lowering bad cholesterol, improving eye health, and boosting your immune system. 14. Salmon. Well, we can't just ramble about fruits and veggies all day. So here's a real treat for you. Salmon is a delicious, heart-friendly superfood rich in essential omega-3 fatty acids. It lowers blood pressure and prevents heart attack, and it's also good for your brain, skin, eyesight, and can help prevent cancer. It also contains vitamins B6, B12, D, and selenium, potassium, and choline. 15. Broccoli. Broccoli is a great detox food and it's high in antioxidants. Whether you choose to eat it raw or cooked, you'll get your daily dose of vitamins E and C. What makes it essential for people over 50 is that it helps prevent osteoporosis, cancer, and weight gain. And it's good for your eyes and skin. 16. Garlic. Garlic is among the most potent anti-aging superfoods and it's ideal for people over 50, given that they don't have to go on dates as much. It has antimicrobial, antiviral and antifungal properties, so it's great for treating colds and infections. Other benefits include improved cardiovascular health, lower blood pressure, cancer prevention, blood sugar regulation, and help with dementia symptoms.